In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cookie banner to your Shopify website. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, look down to the lower left corner of the screen and click on the Settings option. This is where most of your store-wide controls live. Once the settings page opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side and select Customer Privacy. This is the area Shopify uses to help you manage things like cookies and tracking in a way that supports privacy regulations. Inside Customer Privacy, under the Privacy Settings section, click on Cookie Banner. This is where you'll actually set up and customize what visitors see. On the Cookie Banner page, click the button that says Set Up Banner. Shopify will give you the option to enable automated settings. If you turn automated settings on, Shopify will manage a lot of the behavior for you based on visitor location and best practices. If you decide to disable automated settings, you'll get more control. You'll be able to edit which regions the banner appears in and customize the actual content of the cookie banner text, so you can match your tone of voice or legal requirements. As you scroll down, you'll see a live preview of your cookie banner and the cookie preferences panel. This preview updates in real time as you make changes, which makes it easy to see exactly what your customers will experience. You can choose a color theme: light, dark, or custom. Light and dark give you simple presets, but if you pick custom, you can manually set colors for the background, the main text, the button, and the button text. Take a moment to adjust these so they fit your brand style and remain accessible. For example, make sure the text is easy to read against the background. While you're still looking at the preview, check how the banner appears on both desktop and mobile layouts, if that option is available in your theme preview, so you know it works well everywhere. Next, under the position section, choose where you want the banner to appear on the screen. You can place it in the center, use a bottom full width bar, or position it at the bottom center, bottom left, or bottom right. Think about your store design and what feels least intrusive while still being clearly visible. You'll also see an option to show the cookie banner during checkout. Enabling this can be helpful if you want to make sure customers are informed and able to manage their preferences, even at the final step of the purchase process. Once you're happy with all your settings, don't forget to click Save at the top of the page near the search bar. After saving, visit your storefront in a private or incognito window to confirm that your new cookie banner looks and behaves the way you expect.